So when it comes to electronic high security code machines like the Triton Plus, a lot of times there are extra little parts and pieces that you have to get that really maybe at the time of purchase, or it can be kind of annoying, and well, it's really not very fun. Well, the good news is we're going to be going over something today that I believe is really awesome when it comes to the Triton Plus. Check it out and then let me know what you think. So here in just a minute, we're going to be cutting a 80K Lexus Code Series emergency key on the Triton Plus sitting behind me. Now, I don't want to spoil too much, so let's go ahead and let's cut a key by code together, and then we'll talk about it here at the end. All right, so there's a few different ways that you can get to the code series that you need to cut, but we're just going to go ahead and hit automotive, and we're going to go to Lexus, and I think that one there has it. Okay, yeah, there we go. 80K is what we're looking for here. All right, now that we're on this screen here, is what we want to do is go to key code, and we want to just input one. So let's just do 80,111. How about that? There we go. All right, so we got the bidding here, and we're going to be good to go. But this is what I really love about it here is this. If you notice, we're just going to use the B or the S1 B jaw. But what's more important here is when we click this button, is you're going to see you can also choose the cutter. And why is that important? Well, a lot of the other machines, you have to buy a separate cutter just to cut the 80K, and you also have to buy a shim to put underneath the key. And what you're going to see here is you're not going to have to do either one of those when it comes to the Triton. You're going to be able to use your standard 2mm or 1.5 or 2.5, up to you. Once again, we can adjust the speed. We can do all the good stuff we need to do here. So what we'll do here is I'll take our little emergency key. We will cut, and let's get it put in, and let's cut a key without any special jaw or any special cutter. So we'll get here, put into B. Now, when you look on the, let's talk about this for one more second here. When you look at the picture here, okay, you can see right there the green or the yellow line that goes to the second mark. So when we get down on here, we're just really looking for that second mark, just like that. And you can just eyeball it, okay? Just get it close. Just get it close, just like that. All right, now that we have our key in place, we are ready to cut. Now, of course, we can adjust the speed, and I've been just doing stock on all these. So let's just go ahead. Let's slow it down a little bit. Okay, let's go down to a 10 instead of a 15. All right, so let's go ahead now and hit the cut button. Okay, so we are using the 2mm. The jaw is clear of debris, very important. And let's have it cut. All right, so went and cut it there, took quite a few passes. Of course I slowed it down, so it took a little longer than normal. Let's check this. Let's check it out here. Let's see. All right, looks really good here. Look at that. Some really cool feature here I want to talk about for just a minute here is if you look, not only did we adjust the speed down to 10, but on the cut depth, you can also adjust that, which is absolutely amazing. And then the number of passes. So as you can see, this is not a brass key, okay? This is not brass, this is nickel silver. And because of that, you can kind of tear down the cut, which is what we're going to do instead of just doing one pass or two. It really is a cutter saving technique, which is really awesome. So how about that? When it comes to cutting the Lexus 80K Code Series, it does not require an extra shim, an extra cutter, none of that. Once again, it gives you the flexibility that you need to be in control of making sure the job gets done, right? You can choose the cutter you want, the extra features on these steps to allow your cutter for maximum life, allow it to be able to control the speed. It really has everything right when it comes to cutting this Lexus 80K Code Series. I think it's pretty cool. I hope you enjoyed it, but I would really, really love to know what you think. Do you like the features on this machine as much as I do, or do you have a difference of opinion? Let me know in the comments below, and make sure that you include the hashtag Lockboss to automatically get entered in to win one of 5 free prizes we give away each week here on YouTube. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.